Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change or delete a credit card in Shopify. First, open your web browser and go to your Shopify admin. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom left corner and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Billing. Here you will see your current payment methods. To add a new credit card, click on Add a Payment Method. You will need to provide your new card details. This includes the card number, CVV, expiry date, the name on the card, billing address, and zip code. Make sure all the information is correct to avoid any payment issues. After you add the new card, Shopify will use it for future payments. The old card will no longer be charged, but it will still remain on your account. This is how Shopify ensures there is always a valid payment method for your store. If you want to completely remove your old credit card, you first need to add a new one. Once the new card is active, go back to the billing section. You will now see the option to delete the old card. Click on that option. The old card will be removed from your account, and Shopify will only use the new card for all future charges. Thanks for watching.